back to my channel. I'm sorry I'm not showing my face here, but I guess that's why I took the initiative to, at least you hear my sweet voice. That's why I'm doing the voiceover. So here we have the chicken. This is tangerine chicken. It's all under the citrus fruits with I just used 2 oranges for this. So it's basically totally tangerine chicken. Here I clean my chicken really well. If you guys would like me to do a detailed video on how to clean chicken, let me know. But I feel like there's a lot of videos on YouTube for that. So yes, I use lemon juice to thoroughly clean my chicken out. You can comment down below this video and tell me what do you use to clean it out. Maybe you use vinegar, bleach. Just joking. Let me know what you use to clean your chicken. So basically, as we go on, I'll just let you guys know the benefits of tangerine, and then you guys will just look at how I cook this whole delicious meal for Valentine's for my lover. So basically, tangerine has a lot of benefits. Like, this whole meal is just screaming and yelling vitamins and proteins. So basically, you grate your tangerine skin after you wash it very well, and to get the zest from the tangerine. Look at that, the tangerine and the oranges. Tangerines have they have a lot of antioxidants. They help in your digestion, especially when you eat the tangerine with its rough edges. They remove constipation, they lower cholesterol levels, they're good for your skin, they help to fight arthritis, they're good for good eyesight, and they help in your in hair growth. So all of you don't need to be buying gummy bears or whatnot for or taking biotin that breaks you out. Just have a lot of tangerine. Enjoy yourself. All right, now that's the zest. Then you slice your orange. Also make sure you take slices from the orange and the tangerine, like so, just so that when you're baking it, or rather for presentation, it will be obvious that this chicken is made from orange before they taste it and they are wondering what's going on. All right, so the health benefits for oranges. It helps to fight against infection. It protects your skin as well. It lowers blood cholesterol, and it also helps to regulate your blood pressure. It helps with it provides strong bones and teeth. It also protects your cardiovascular system, and of course, but same as tangerine, it gives you vitamins and minerals. Yes, make sure you take out the rough edges from the orange and the tangerine. This will help you making the marinades thick. So here we're just trying to create the marinade for the chicken. Make sure you clean out and take out all the unnecessary stuff. Then benefits of chicken itself, I'm sure you guys know it's already. Protein, number 1. It has a lot of protein, high protein. It's important for to supply your body with vitamins and minerals. It helps against weight loss. Yeah, make sure you store away your the little slices that we took out. If you saw the fruits I took away, make sure you store them, because that's gonna help for presentation as well, or also as on the side for dessert or whatnot, whatever I want to use it to do. Maybe ice cream, or just take it as fruits or whatever, appetizer, whatever I want to do with it. But just make sure you store some and grind it. Make sure that you click on puree, don't click on liquefy, don't click on chop. Make sure it's puree, it's thick. That's the clean chicken that we washed earlier. Then you pour in your the mixture. Yeah, I stored some liquid aside so that we can maybe drip on the chicken after it's done. Yeah, mix it well. Make sure you mix it very, very well. Yes, and make sure you add the honey to your desired thickness here. I added maybe 4 spoons or 3 spoons at the beginning before I grinded it and everything. But after it's said and done, before you still and make sure that you pour the marinade on it and store it in a tightly closed and clean place. Those are the tangerines I use. And after 12 hours, you know, you take it out from the fridge, and you know, it looks thicker and nice, and it's well marinated. Chicken reduces cancer, guys, so this is a really good you know, meal. Yeah, I use sesame seed oil because I didn't want it to be just regular. I wanted it to have a really strong, you know, hit with the taste. I used 4 tablespoons of that. Then I used 1 tablespoon of pepper, as you can see, and salt. I added salt earlier, but we're adding salt again. 1 tablespoon, 2 Maggi cubes, like so. Grate the Maggi. Maggi is always hard nowadays. I don't know why. So I have to grate it, guys. Yes, that's it. You pour it into the mixture. Just a tablespoon of turmeric. You want that yellow color, and a tablespoon or 2 of Goya, depending on how you like it. Then yes, just 1 tablespoon of onion, and half a tablespoon of oregano, and half a tablespoon of thyme. So that's why I just put it together, guys. And 1 tablespoon of garlic, mixed thoroughly, like so. Yes, guys, that's your citrusy liquid. Yes, guys, you can taste it. I was tasting it, guys. I wanted to know how sweet it was, and I think I'm gonna add more honey, you know, just to give it that more sweet taste. This reduces cholesterol, and you know, it's a great treatment for cold. I didn't even know that chicken is good for cold, guys. Mixed with you know, everybody knows that, you know, lemon, orange, you know, they're good for cold as well. So I added 2 more tablespoons of honey. So both of them, this is just like good for someone that's having cold, I guess, because honey and chicken. So I put 1 tablespoon of cilantro, guys, and I just drizzled more and more honey because I just felt like this has to be very sweet. So I put more. It's better than sugar anyways. And you cut your yellow and orange peppers, just like little thin strands like that, because we're going to bake it now. It's ready to be baked. You want that yellow, tropical, bright chicken. And we're going to take out the seeds from, you know, you see the way I'm scraping out the seeds from the bell peppers. We're going to use that. Make sure that you generously apply a lot of oil or butter on the pan that you're going to bake it, because that will also add to the, you know, the cooking. Some butter instead of putting butter in the mixture. So that's it. Then I slit a little. This I should have done in the marination. You can do that in the marination stage, or you just do like me and just pour the juice into the chicken itself and then cover it up with the skin. I just cut a little slit, fill it up with a little juice and covered it up. Then I sprinkled my tropical bright colors of the, and then this is very important, make sure you sprinkle those seeds of the bell peppers, and then voila, add your, you know, the oranges and tangerines that we stored, and put it in the oven. Make sure the oven is preheated to 400 degrees. And this was in the oven for 1 hour 15 minutes, guys. And this is the reaction, guys. Thank you for watching. I love you so much, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. And guys, please, I'm so sorry. I apologize for the baby noise in the background. But anyways, don't forget the chicken juice from the baking. You can serve it with rice, spaghetti, anything you want to serve it with. It's also edible and it's sweet as well. Very juicy and nice. Thank you so much for watching, guys.
No, yeah, start. Cut it.
Let me help it. Are you serious? This is good. Oh my god. This is good. Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's good.
So, what do you think? Like, score? Give it score.
No, I don't even know. This is perfect. You know, this is my first time.
Yeah, alright.
It's good.
His name is all over my heart.